guys, my name is Ava Jones, but you can call me Shell, and I'm back with episode 4 of Chainsaw Man. Here we go.
I happened upon a more recent discovery. Blood is nice and warm.
He's like, hey! Wow. What a transition.
I attempted to kill you.
Because I'm going to lose my job. There's no way.
Balls that hurt!
Bro, cannot rest. Come on, bruh.
He's a demon.
That was... That was such a cool, moment right there. No, 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 no.
Cone.
We love Aki. That was literally the coolest, what in the Naruto? It's so dope.
The one I was chummy with is the Fox Devil. As per our contract, I feed it part of my body, and it lends me its power. Fed it some skin this time.
Sounds painful.
Admit it. The Blood Fiend tried to kill you, didn't she? I'm baffled yet again. You sympathize with devils every time.
Weird. Wonder what's up with that.
Special Division 4 handled that threat. We examined both of the target's heads. Neither held any traces of gun flesh. That concludes my report.
Who flesh?
Excellent work. I can't help but notice you seem more flexible these days. Makes me wonder if Denji's influence is responsible.
Doubtful. I'm the exact same guy I've always been.
So he said.
What you making for lunch?
Curry.
Yeah.
Power? Yeah, figured.
What a dismal abode you have here.
Denji and Power are still a little too untamed. They could use a good leash like you.
I won't argue that, but why's my place psychocentral?
Because I know that space is secure enough, and I also trust you more than anybody else.
It's mine now!
Give me my super toast back!
Oh, great.
It'll be fine.
Foul vegetables! Be gone!
Girl.
Hey, do not throw your food!
What he said! Respect the farmers who took the time to grow these veggies! Damn devil!
I'm the type who seldom flushes my feces.
Not in this house.
That's nasty.
I'm the type who seldom chooses to bathe.
Get your butt in there!
You totally reek!
That is gross and a little strange.
Can't believe she just shows up and starts raising hell. Even devils should flush. Didn't eat her veggies either.
You there.
Ah, well, if it isn't the shit devil whose turds turn to cement and stick to the bowl.
Ew.
We had a deal, did we not? My chest is yours for the fondling. Fondle away.
Oh my gosh.
You are thrice blessed. Once for safely rescuing my cat. Slaying the bat devil got you a second one. And your third is for protecting me, even when Top Knot was interrogating you.
You didn't even wash your hands. That's what I'm thinking about.
She's an angel.
I literally cannot with this guy. I cannot. That was episode 4 of Chainsaw Man. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share it with anyone that you feel like needs a little light in their life. and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
If you had the money you spent on those views, and you could've gotten a stock in YouTube. This Bitcoin look like it might drop pretty soon. Computer alert me to stop if it do. I really flex like you have no option to do. My diamonds is blue like I cloned a mule. My life is like lightning, a cyclone of fuel. I cycle a loop.